a good advice training Pooja.
Hello, good evening to test chair and my dear fellow junior Toastmasters. Once upon a time, there was a young doctor lived in a big village. One day, he wanted to go to his childhood village. After a long time, he reached to his village and he went to an old house. After he thought like this. Teacher, teacher. An old man came out of the house and asked, "Who are you?" After that, doctor said, "It's me. Don't you remember me?" After that, old man said, "No, I don't remember you." After that, doctor said, "Let me tell you something. One day, one of our class students brought expensive watch to our class and I stole it. After that, that student complained it to you and you came to our class and you told all students to close their eyes. After you checked all all students' pockets and you found you found that watch from my pocket. But you didn't tell to anyone about that. But you explained to me about my mistake. Please, you all think about this story. If the teacher punished that student that day, he will be humiliated in front of the class and he won't understand his mistake. He will be angry with that teacher. But that teacher knew about that. He didn't punish to that student, but he explained to that student about his mistake. We can get a good advice from this story. If someone do a mistake, please don't punish him. Please try to explain that person about his mistake. Thank you.